Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is timeouts in Selenium. Timeouts in Selenium define how long WebDriver should wait before throwing an error. Web applications are dynamic. Pages, elements, and responses do not load instantly. Selenium provides different types of timeouts. First, page load timeout. This controls how long Selenium waits for a page to fully load. Second, implicit wait. This tells Selenium to wait for elements to appear before failing. Timeouts help prevent automation failures caused by slow loading, network delays, or dynamic content. Without proper timeouts, Selenium tests become unstable and fail randomly. Now, we will run the sample script which is there to see the simple timeout example. Here, Selenium sets page load timeout and implicit wait, then opens Cogmento application. If you see here, page loading using configured timeouts, title is Free. In the code, we have mentioned the timeout. We have asked for implicit wait of 10 seconds and page load wait of 20 seconds. That's why the page loaded slowly. This ensures Selenium waits properly instead of failing immediately. Timeouts help make Selenium automation stable and reliable. Thank you.